Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple and easy homemade sponge cake. Very simple. So here we have some ingredients. 2 eggs I'm using. You can use large or medium. Some vanilla extracts, baking powder, coconut milk, and some vegetable oil, some whole milk and sugar, and self-raising flour and 50 ounces of butter. So let's start. So here I have a beater. So first in the bowl we're going to add our butter. If the butter is not at room temperature, you can just microwave it for 30 seconds. And now we're going to add sugar. And then whisk it. As you all can see, it's getting smoother and smoother. Now the next step will be where we will be adding 2 eggs. Don't over whisk this. See, it's perfect. Now add the eggs and then whisk it. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extracts. And now whisk it very well. Here we're going to add our coconut milk. I'm using about 1/4 can. Now I'm going to add some vegetable oil and some whole milk. You just need to blend it very well now. As you all can see, it's blended. Now we're just going to add our self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can use plain flour, but you just need to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. As you all can see, the mixture is so smooth and so creamy. Now we're just going to transfer this into a cake tin. If you don't have a cake tin like I do, well, I can't just find it, so I had to put it in a loaf tin. Spread it very evenly. Now put this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. So guys, as y'all can see the final result, it is so delicious, so soft from the inside. Do try it out, tell me in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment and share my videos. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.